More behind-the-scenes clips of Jenna Ortega filming Wednesday Season 2 have been shared. She was totally unbothered at airport security. Jenna is so real for that. And she looks so proud showing off her Swiss Army knife trick. The cast was also seen playing ninja games again, just like Wenclair did in Season 1. Still one of fans' favorite behind-the-scene moments. Plus, we got a new photo shoot to promote Wednesday Season 2. And as always, Jenna Ortega and Emma Myers look stunning together. Also, that chaotic "you move, I make a sound" video with the cast? Hilarious.
Okay.